Hi guys! And welcome back to another episode of Gagliardi Photography. Today we have a package. What is this? The new DJI Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC controller. That's it. Oh. This is the new Mini 3 Professional. Let's continue with the unboxing.
Yes.
And this is the new controller, the DJI RC controller. My first impressions are that it is very light, so it is an enjoyable experience to take it in the hands. Good. I bought the full version with the DJI Fly More combo, but at the moment I haven't received it, so I have to wait for the 2 more batteries and the charger. And now let's go into the open air. Today it is an overcast day and we are going to the beach. We are going to try this new drone in real conditions. First we are going to try it on the sunlight, then we'll try the new sensor, how it behaves at night after sunset. I'm also very excited to try the new vertical video which is a real news for me. Well, after using it for a full day, a night, I have a positive sensation about it. Of course, it's a DJI, so it is very stable in the air. The video during sunlight is very, very good. The bit rate now is 150, much better than, for example, the Mavic Mini 2 or the Mavic Air 2. But the sensor really shines at night. I'm really excited to see the video at night, and the quality is very, very good, no much noise, so I think they are usable for many type of work. I also love the vertical mode. For me, the video shooting vertical is awkward, but you can use it on Instagram, on the social networks. Very, very good for me is the vertical mode for pictures. For example, you can use it when you want a panorama mode. You can shoot the photo in manual mode and then stitch together with Photoshop. If you are like me and you love to see panoramic images, you have three solutions. The first one is to use the DJI auto mode for images. You have sphere mode, panoramic, landscape. You have a lot of possibilities. Another thing is to shoot vertical images and stitch together with Photoshop. And the other tip is this. You can shoot vertical video, which has different rate, horizontal, vertical rate. And then if you go very slowly during your panoramic mode, you can save JPEG images from the 4K video. At the end, you can take all these pictures and stitch together with Photoshop with a different horizontal, vertical rate. And I think I will do a tutorial in the next few days about this. So now for the conclusions. I think this drone is a big leap. You have now a bigger sensor, which is great in low light. You have sensors, not side sensors, but front and back sensors. You have vertical mode, which is great for Instagram and other social networks. You have the new RC controller, which is great in the sunlight. And last but not least, the drone is very, very silent. More silent than the DJI Mavic Mini 2. That's all for this episode. I love this drone and I hope to see what do you think about it in the comments. Bye bye and see you in the next episode of Gagliardi Photography.